Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to CR Digital Classes. So in this lecture, we are going to discussing one of the important topic great circle. Okay, find the equation of the sphere having this circle as the great circle. Okay, so now sphere having circle as the great circle is nothing but equation of the given circle plus constant into equation of the great circle. So that is the equation. So first of all, see, given the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus z square plus 10y minus 4z minus 8 is equal to 0 here, and given equation of the circle is, and equation of the great circle is x plus y plus z is equal to 3. That is we are taking as equation 2. So previous now the equation of the sphere through the circle is given as equation of the sphere through the circle is given as equation of the circle plus k into equation of the great circle equal to 0. That is the equation, and mathematically we can write equation of the circle, sorry, equation of the sphere. Equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 10y minus 4z minus 8 plus k into great circle x plus y plus z minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, actually at the time of introduction class only I clearly explained you great circle equation will be in this format. Okay, so if you take a sphere like this, sphere center this one, and from center to this point is radius, and whatever you have this that is called a great circle. We can call it as a great circle. So now multiply with k with the great circle value x square plus y square plus z square plus 10y minus 4z minus 8 up to here I am writing as it is. If you multiply with k, kx plus ky plus kz minus 3k is equal to 0. Where what is the k? K is any parameter or constant to be determined. So now after multiplying with k, from the xyz terms take xyz common. Okay, writing x square plus y square plus z square as it is, plus here we have only one x term, that is we are writing as it is kx, and we have two y terms. The first term is plus 10y and the second term is ky. From the two terms if you take y common, 10 plus k into y, and one more minus 4z and plus kz, take z common, minus 4 plus k into z, and remaining terms also there, those are constants minus 8 minus 3k. From these two values take minus common, 8 plus 3k is equal to 0. The aim is the total equation we are converting into general equation of the sphere. Why? Because when you convert into general equation of the sphere, then only we can compare with the general form of the sphere. Okay, take it as equation number 3. Above equation number 3, okay, with the standard equation of the sphere. Okay, so the above equation number 3 is in the form of the standard equation of the sphere. What is the standard equation of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Now compare the both the equation. X square plus y square plus z square coefficient is 1 only. Okay, and x coefficient to 2u. So therefore 2u is equal to, here x coefficient is equal to k Here x coefficient is equal to k, here x coefficient is equal to 2u. So 2u is equal to k, and here y coefficient is 10 plus k, here y coefficient is 2v is equal to 10 plus k. Next z coefficient is minus 4 plus k, and here z coefficient is 2w is equal to minus 4 plus k, and next constant d is equal to minus 8 plus 3k. So therefore send 2 value to RHS. So therefore u is equal to k by 2, v is equal to 10 plus k by 2, comma w is equal to c k minus 4 by 2. Okay, so writing mistake this one, k minus 4 by 2. So therefore, and d is equal to minus 8 plus 3k. So now after getting all the u, v, w and d value, now it's time to take that the center of the sphere. So what is the center of the sphere equation? You know very well. C is equal to minus U minus V minus W. This is the formula. Okay. Mention formula in the box. Substitute the corresponding value. C is equal to U value. Okay. K by 2 minus U minus K by 2 minus 10 plus K by 2 and W value minus of K minus 4 by 2. K minus 4 by 2. Okay. So the center of the sphere to lie on the plane which is great circle. Substitute the center coordinates in equation number 2. Okay. So to find the great circle equation, the center coordinates, whatever we obtained center coordinates, we have to substitute them in equation number 2. What is the equation number 2, Amma? So this is the equation number 2. Great circle. Okay. X plus y plus z is equal to 3 is there na? In that place, in equation number 2, substitute whatever we got the center values. Okay. So therefore, what is the great circle equation? X plus y plus z is equal, z minus 3 is equal to 0, right? So in place of x value minus k by 2, y value minus 10 plus k by 2 and z value minus k minus 4 by 2. Okay, minus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore minus k minus take LCM, LCM is same, 2. So therefore minus k minus 10 plus k minus k minus 4 minus 2 3s are 6 equal to 0. Send denominator 2 value to RHS. So then 0 into 2 0. So therefore remaining numerator values multiply with minus k minus 10 minus k plus 4 is minus 6 is equal to 0. How many k's are there, ma? So 3 minus k's are there. Minus 3k. Minus 10 minus 6 minus 16. Minus 16 plus 4 minus 12. Okay. So be careful while adding the terms, amma. So first minus symbol, whatever the values are there, so just add them and next take minus common or send minus 12 value to RHS. Minus 3k is equal to 12, k is equal to minus 12 by 3. So therefore 3 1s are 3 4s are. So therefore we will get k is equal to minus 4. Now substitute this k is equal to minus 4 value in equation number 3. So therefore if you substitute k is equal to minus 4 value, x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x plus 10 minus 4y plus minus 4z plus minus 8 plus 3 into minus 4 equal to 0. So therefore if you simplify them, x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x plus 6y minus 8z plus 4 is equal to 0 is the required great circle equation. Okay. Hence, this is the required equation of the sphere. Okay. So therefore, this is the total explanation of the problem. So this problem repeated so many times in the examination, especially for long answer type questions. Easy problem only, just remember the formula. So this is the total explanation of this problem. I hope you understand this problem very well. In the next lecture, we are coming with another concept. Make a perfect practice, prepare well. Until bye. Thank you.